everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday the 4th of November and this will be a weekend vlog, so what we get up to over the weekend. I plan to do things, all bonfire night stuff, so either tonight or tomorrow night we're going to go into Lancaster and have a look at Light Up Lancaster, which I think we should do tonight, and the reason for that is because it's not going to rain tonight or today. And it may rain tomorrow, although the firework display is on tomorrow. I don't plan to go to the actual firework display because we don't have tickets, but you can see the castle fireworks from further out, so we're going to find a spot that is best to watch them from afar. Anyway, so as I said, it's Friday today. The kids are at school. I was going to tell you something and I've completely forgotten what, but yeah, the kids are at school, Mark's at work. I'm just editing last week's vlog, that's what I'm up to, and yeah, I've completely forgotten what I was going to say. So I will speak to you in a bit when I've remembered what I was going to say, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I remembered what I was going to tell you. You never guess what I dreamt of last night. I dreamt of the people who bought my old house and my old house again. Dreams just pop up about them every so often. I don't know why I keep dreaming about my old house and the people who bought it. I'm so strange. And I haven't had one of those dreams for like ages now. But last night I did again. I'm wondering what I did yesterday, because usually you do something and it sort of triggers a dream about it. But yeah, I've been thinking a lot about how I can not necessarily extend the house, this house obviously, but make the kitchen bigger by opening it up, because there is already an extension on the back. I just want to improve the current extension. So yeah, I think that's what's triggered a memory of my old house, thinking a lot about this house and what we can do with it. So we're also discussing, me and Mark yesterday were discussing what we can do with the back garden. I think I'll tell you all about our plans next week, because Mark's off next week, so we're going to do some bits in the garden and in the house while he's off, and I'll let you know what we have planned. It's not going to happen yet. We're not going to do it next week. We're just going to tidy things up, and I'll tell you what our plans are in the garden. But I do want to change the garden round a little bit and improve that, and it's a case of, do we do the extension, well, upgrade the extension first before doing the garden or not? And we have all this to discuss, but we need a build around, so that's what we're going to do next week. But that will become next week's vlog anyway, so because it's a perfect opportunity to put the plans there, and you can have like another house tour, I suppose, because explain again what we're thinking of doing with it, because it keeps changing. Hi everyone, it is now about 3:30. Yeah, 3:30. I've just picked up Alfie. Mark came back at 1 PM, so he picked up Oscar and then went straight for Oliver. Alfie's generally the one that makes us late because he comes out at 3:10. So yeah, that keeps popping open. It's really annoying me. Yeah, anyway, it's one of these, and it keeps popping open. I have no idea why. I must not be putting it on properly. Anyway, so tonight what we're going to do is we're going to go into Lancaster to go see Light Up Lancaster, which is like a bunch of light displays. I don't know, I went last year. It's on my other channel, my whole channel, which used to be the vlog channel, but it's up there on a vlog. I think it's still up there, I'm not sure. Yeah, so it's basically a bunch of light displays. They're different from last year, so we'll be going to see something new. So yeah, what we're going to do, it begins at 5 o'clock. Obviously it needs to be dark because it's a light display. It's very dark in here. I haven't even opened my blinds. Yeah, so we're going. It needs to be dark, so it's 5 o'clock it starts. So, but we're all really quite hungry, so we're either going to get like a takeaway, eat it here and then go, or we're going to go out for something to eat in a pub or something, restaurant, I don't know, and then go to see the lights after food because we're all quite hungry. Oliver might go to my dad's because he hates fireworks, and because it's Friday night and it's bonfire night tomorrow, there is gonna be fireworks tonight, I expect, so he may go to my dad's. But anyway, Mark's currently out picking up Oliver and with Oscar, so he'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. Alfie's here with me because I picked him up from school. Luckily I did go for Alfie because he came out at like 1:15 or something, and yeah, it was quite late out, so if I was doing all three, I would have been very late for Oliver. I wouldn't have even got there yet. So yeah. What else? That's it really. I've only just got back through the door. It started to rain on and off, which is not ideal. It's going to rain a lot tomorrow, so that's why I've decided to do Light Up Lancaster tonight. Anyway, I will let you know obviously what we're going to do, whether we go out for something to eat, I don't know, maybe. I will update you when I know when Mark's back. So anyway, it's it's a bit lighter here. That's why I hate this kitchen. It's so dark and horrible. I might paint these. White. What do you think? Because I'm going to replace them, so if I mess it up, it's not like that big a deal. Hi everyone, we're ready to go out now. We've decided to find a pub to eat dinner in. Somewhere. Because we're all really hungry. Oscar, have you got your shoes on? Oh yes. Hi.
And I got Star of the Week.
Oscar got Star of the Week at school, which is really good.
So are we going to the pub first?
Yes, because we really need something to eat, and then we'll go into Lancaster later. Anyway, yeah, so I changed my clothes. I've got like a dress on, a wool dress, and yeah, anyway, where's Holly? And we'll see you in a bit.
But why are we going out so?
Hi Mom.
Hello.
Where are you? In the what? The pub.
Yeah, he's going to call that maybe.
Hi everyone, we're back in the car now after dinner.
Why does it look?
It's 7:30.
Why does it look morning?
And going to look at Light Up Lancaster, which is light displays in Lancaster. It's 7:30, so it's going to be quite a late night.
Yes.
How was your tea?
Lovely.
It's a bit late because the food took ages to get out. Not that we were complaining,
No.
it's fine, but it took ages to come out. So it's a little bit later than what we
No,
expected.
we're not going to find time.
Because what time did we arrive here? It must have been about 5.
Yeah.
Now it's 7:30, so we've been in there 2.5 hours.
It's not too bad.
We didn't have a 3-course meal though, we only had 2 courses.
Yeah.
So, but Oscar got to play in the play area, was it good?
Yeah. I went down the pink slide at the end.
He went down the big slide, so Alfie's too big for it because he's big and he's a high school student.
Oh yeah.
In other news, that pub is, well, the Premier Inn here It's where me and Mark met.
Yes, all those years ago.
We worked there. I was the normal receptionist. I've said this 1,000 times. Mark was the night receptionist. And we worked in that Premier Inn right there. So that's where we met.
Yeah.
It's been 15 years.
Well, Mr. was who's coming tomorrow?
Hi.
Well, Mr.
We're in Lancaster. We're going to see Light Up Lancaster. This is the car park. Why have you got your coat on the wrong way, Oscar? It's a bit silly. We just let him get on with it.
My friend did all of it.
Dinosaur came out that window then. There's a person who invented it. Nando's!
What Nando's the best bit?
Of this new development, yeah. Well, this is a big, giant man. Random bird.
I have no idea.
Who knows? It makes a really funny noise.
The bees catching nectar.
Ah, bees.
One was the line and then one the baby, okay? Yeah, this is the flower. I have to take a picture. 4 minutes. Well, it says
What?
is it? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's cool. That moon. Wow. Yeah? Yeah. Be careful of the cobbles. What?
I like the house with the little tiny door. And the houses that I want but can't afford.
Remember is the one who pixies.
Yeah.
Is it the same pixie door? Is it the same?
No, these are real doors. These are real houses.
No, but where's the pixie door?
It's up that hill, the pixie door. How was that, Mark?
Right.
It's what to do with a house. Going through the years. Step. This must be the worst place to send us down. Oh, I like the river. No, it's
Oh.
That's really strange.
I know it's alive. Feels like I'm in the ocean. Feels like I'm in the ocean.
Right, we're back in the car. We've just walked like a mile and a half around Lancaster city centre and went to the castle. That was nice. We did a few bits in the Dalton Square and Market Square, that's what I was going to say, on the museum and stuff. Walked on water. And we're going back home now. I'm very tired now. We're stopping at the shop for some crisps for Oscar because he's hungry again, even though he had a 2-course meal.
You mean I'm starving?
He's not starving.
Because I've been walking for literally like 2 hours.
When my 3 babies have just been born.
Hi everyone, it is Saturday and we're about 12 o'clock I think, Saturday. It's another slow morning, we haven't done anything. We're doing a load of washing. Like, I didn't really do much washing last week, so that's what we're doing today. I'm sitting all day watching Disney films, I've decided, until we go out later to find fireworks, but it is a miserable day. Won't stop raining. Mark's back with the Sainsbury's shop, so I'm going to do a haul. I'm just going to shut this middle door so the dogs don't go out. It's an absolutely freezing day, like it's really, really cold. So yeah, I'll shut this middle door so the dogs don't get out. I really need to shut this middle door here because that keeps the heat in, and also the door in here. So no wonder it's cold. Anyway, I'm going to set up my doodah here for the shop, tidy it up and set out all my bits so I can show everybody my haul this week, my grocery haul. Right, so that's the shop haul done, and everything's away mostly. You've been outside, Maisie, you're wet. It's an awful day. I'm so glad we did light up Lancaster last night because I wouldn't have been happy going out in that rain for too long. If it continues to rain when we go and find the fireworks later, what I'll do is we'll stay in the car and we'll go up to a higher point. I know a few high points in Lancaster that you can actually watch the fireworks from the car. So that's an option. Or we could just get wet, it's fine. But I'm glad I didn't have to trail around Lancaster and watch those light shows in the rain. And also I wouldn't have been able to take my camera because this is not waterproof. My phone is though. But anyway, we're all really cold. Look at Mark. He's wrapped in a Minecraft cover. We're not putting the heating on. Well, we did do for an hour this morning, and then we have an hour or two in the evening. But we're trying to limit. I refuse to pay those British gas more than they earn enough money, yeah. So anyway, I'm wrapped up nice and warm in my Disney Spirit jersey. I might play a little bit of my Disney game while I'm watching Disney films. I'm watching Encanto, and I must have put it on 2.5 hours ago, and I'm still not finished it. This is what happens, it's constantly pausing to do things. Mark's watching Diggers. He's pestering me to do the back garden, which I'll tell you about in next week's vlog, because Mark's going to be off. He's going to be tidying up some of the garden, doing some bits in the garden. I need to do a few DIY jobs in the house, like paint my table and stuff like that. And then I will let you know what I want to do with the garden, because I think that that's going to be a next year job, but it's going to be the first in line. It's going to be before we do anything with the kitchen and stuff. So yes, I want to get that done first. And so I'll let you know what is planned next week, and Mark will tell you all about his diggers, his dreams of diggers. Anyway, I'm going back. Hi everyone, it is really much later on now. It is it's 5:45 now, so we're just cooking tea. We're gonna have pizza, and I've just been sat watching Disney vlogs all day. I was watching actual Disney films, and now I'm watching vlogs, Disney World vlogs actually. I still don't dare go on an aeroplane all the way to Florida, so I'll probably never get there, which is a shame. Anyway, you can hear the fireworks go off now because it's dark, so there will be a lot of fireworks going off. And then we're gonna have our tea, we're gonna get nice and warm, dressed up, and then we're gonna go out and see the big fireworks at the castle. But if it continues to rain and it's really nasty, we might just get Mark to drive round, park up somewhere, and watch them from the car if it's too rainy. So here's the pizza. It's got that sauce on top. Mark didn't want any sauce. It might be a little bit dangerous eating in here, but I was continuing to watch Brogan Tate's Disney World vlogs, so I wanted to sit in here. You can't eat pizza in here, Alfie. Even I'm worried about eating pizza in here. And I've got a glass of wine. So I'm eating this, watching Disney World vlogs. So I had the pizza. It was really, really nice. It was very spicy. I just ate a chili on its own and it was like really spicy. I realised that I opened a bottle of Malbec from Sainsbury's, and I'd already had the Shiraz open, so that's annoying. I'm gonna have to drink like 2 bottles of wine in a very short period of time, like 3 or 4 days.
I've been a bottle so we can do some bottle flips.
The Malbec's nicer. Hopefully don't wait as long as we did. I'm quite fast that time. Hi everyone, we're back from the firework display now, and I'm still watching my Disney vlogs from Brogan Tate, and yeah, Alfie sat with us and Mark's over in the corner watching something there. The dogs are alright. The fireworks are quite loud, but they're doing alright. They're a little bit like clingy, but they're alright at the minute. It's not been too bad around here. It's not been too loud. But they were very excited to see us when we came back from the fireworks, because we left them on their own, obviously. I've had dogs that are worse than this, that need like drugs, like calming drugs. But you can see Holly's panting quite a lot here. But they're not as bad as some dogs that I've known. I am completely blurry. I have completely lost the focus. So that is Jack Sparrow on Disney Infinity, and Oscar wanted him for his birthday.
Guess what, Mum?
But they don't make them anymore.
You know when you go onto a game, it actually sounds like Jack Sparrow when he talks.
Cool. So that's Jack Sparrow. The little man is on there. You put him, the characters on there, and they come up on the screen. They don't make Disney Infinity anymore. It's discontinued. But Oscar really wanted one. And we couldn't find one. I couldn't find one on Amazon. Hang on, I couldn't find one on Amazon or anything. And then I text Liz going, I can't find this Jack Sparrow for his birthday. I have no idea. He keeps asking for discontinued stuff. Anyway, she sent Joshua upstairs into his drawers. So she sent Joshua to have a look to see what he's got. And you never guess what he had. He had Jack Sparrow. I mean, what a find. So Joshua had it in his drawer all along. And so Josh sent it up for him. I mean, Josh is always almost 18. I don't think he cares much for Jack Sparrow anymore. But yeah, isn't it lucky having an older cousin?